U.S. Senator Ed Markey was in Holyoke today addressing the opioid epidemic here in western Massachusetts. 22 News reporter Ashley Afonso was there when Markey met with local decision makers.
Yeah, a big part of today's discussion involved the rise of fentanyl. So far this year, 66% of confirmed opioid-related overdose deaths in Massachusetts involved fentanyl. Senator Edward Markey held a roundtable discussion with local leaders and health professionals at Holyoke Medical Center to address the opioid epidemic Friday. Senator Markey said more people are overdosing and dying from the synthetic opioid fentanyl. He wants Congress to play a bigger role in fighting the epidemic.
The Republicans in Congress still refuse to pass the $1.1 billion in education and treatment programs that President Obama has been requesting for the last 2 years.
Senator Markey said that without this funding, fighting the opioid crisis could be nearly impossible.
It is a disease. It is something that needs treatment. That's the only way we're going to help these people.
94 people died from opioid overdose in Hampden County in 2015, up from 61 in 2014.
We acknowledge this as a public health issue, as an issue that requires strict law enforcement around the people who profit from addiction, but also, and probably most significantly, requires us to work on folks who are struggling with addiction.
Senator Markey played a part in passing legislation that allows nurse practitioners and doctors to prescribe Suboxone, a drug that treats opioid addiction. President Obama signed that bill into law last month. Ashley Afonso, 22 News.